Welcome. In this video we are going to look at how to find unknowns, say x and y, from a complex equation. So we have 2x plus 4i out of 2x plus y minus y out of x minus 1 is equal to 0. They want us to find the values of x and y from that equation that can satisfy it. Is that okay? So what we are going to do, we are going to separate the numerator and we find the conjugate of the denominator of that guy. Solution. So we are going to say 2y out of 2x plus y plus 4i out of 2x plus y, then minus y out of x minus I. So we are going to find the conjugate of this denominator and we multiply it up and down. So it is x plus I out of x plus I. The resultant will be a 0. So we shall have 2y out of 2x plus y plus 4i out of 2x plus y minus y into x plus I out of x squared plus 1. The resultant will be equated to 0. Hope we are following. And now we shall have 2y out of 2x plus y plus 4i out of 2x plus y minus yx minus yi out of x squared plus 1, it will be equated to 0. So now what we are going to do, we are going to equate the real parts to real parts and imaginary parts to imaginary parts. So we shall have 2y out of 2x plus y plus 4i out of 2x plus y, but transferring this on the right hand side, it will become a positive. So it will be yx out of x squared plus 1 plus yi out of x squared plus 1. So we shall equate the real parts from the left hand side to real parts on the right hand side. So we shall have 2y out of 2x plus y is equal to yx out of x squared plus 1. We can first multiply by 1 out of y by 1 out of y. So this y and that y can go for holidays, and this one to take some kasoda, and we shall have 2 out of 2x plus y is equal to x out of x squared plus 1. So what we shall have is 2x squared plus 2 is equal to 2x squared plus yx. Is that okay? So this x and this x, they can also get out of our way, and we shall have our yx as a 2. Now we shall baptize this guy as our equation star. Furthermore, we are going to equate the imaginary parts on the left hand side to imaginary parts on the right hand side, and we shall have 4 out of 2x plus y, it will be equal to y out of x squared plus a 1. So we shall cross multiply, and we shall have 4 into x squared plus 1, it will be equal to y into 2x plus y. So we shall have 4x squared plus 4 is equal to 2xy plus y squared. Now students, we say that xy is equal to a 2. So we shall replace with a 2 here, and we shall have 4x squared plus 4 is equal to 2 times 2 plus a y squared. So this 4 and this 4, they will go for holidays, and we shall have 4x squared is equal to y squared. But remember, from our equation star, x is equal to 2 out of y. So we are going to substitute this guy into this equation, and we shall have 4x squared is equal to y squared, and we say that our x can be written as 2 out of y. So we shall have 2 out of y squared is equal to y what squared, and this is 16 out of y squared is equal to y squared. So this means that our 16 is going to be equal to y to power 4. So it is the same as saying y squared minus 2 to power 2 squared is equal to 0. Are we together? So we shall get y minus 2 into y squared plus 2 squared. The answer will be 0. For that guy to be true, what does it mean? Y squared minus 2 squared is equal to 0. Therefore, we shall have y minus 2 is a 0, y1 will be equal to a 2, and y plus 2 will also be a 0, and y will be equal to a negative 2. Remember, our x is equal to 2 out of y. Therefore, x1 shall be equal to, I will substitute a 2, so which is 2 out of a 2. And our x1 will be equal to 1. Are we together? Now, we say that also x2 is equal to 2 out of negative 2. Therefore, x2 will be equal to negative 1. Also, y squared plus 2 squared is equal to a 0. So y squared is equal to negative 4. So y is equal to plus or minus root of 4i. But we say that y is equal to plus or minus. If we have this guy, we shall get a complex, because a square root of negative 1 is what? I. Therefore, it will be 2i. Remember, they've told us that x and y are positives. Therefore, this y shall be terminated out of the solution, and we shall have our x1 as 1, our x2 as negative 1, our y1 as 2, and our y2 as negative 1. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.